Hello, my adventurers. As you see, I got these burgers nice and juicy. Here they go. Yes, sir. We're going to cook them on the Ninja Foodi. So stay tuned to more. All right, you see it. Let's start with the first one. Get that thing on there. Oh, Lord. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Y'all want to listen? Listen to this. Ooh. Yes, sir. That's one. We got another one. Oh, Lord. Give me 1 second. Yes, sir. Look at that thing. Yes, sir. It is two. Look at that thing right here. Woo. Oh. Do me like that. Yes, sir. And almost scrape this thing up. This thing kind of sticky. So bear with me. As you can see, bear with me. Here we go. Woo! Yes, as you see it. Let me shut this thing down. I got it set at 10 minutes. Now I'll get back with you. Yes, sir. Yeah. You got the time started. There you go. There it is. So stay tuned. In 5 minutes, I'm going to flip them over. So stay tuned. Let's get it. Yeah. All right, guys. There you have it. I stopped there at the 5-minute mark. As you see, look at them things. Oh, my gosh. Yee. So I'm going to give them a flip. Let it go for another 5 minutes. And stay tuned. Here we go. Big Puppy Adventures. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When you're almost halfway through, let's go ahead and click that like button. And let's stay tuned. Here we go. Yeah. All right, guys. As you see, I don't flip them. Look at the grill marks on them things. Oh, my gosh, bro. It's incredible. So I don't know about you, but when I flip my burger and season the top and stuff like that, I go ahead, add a little bit more season on the backside. That's me. I don't know if you do it. If you do, drop it in the comments. And just a little sprinkle. That's it. Little sprinkle. That's all I do. So, hey, I'm going to let it go for another 5 more minutes. And as you see, get back to me. Yeah. All right, guys, as you see, we're at the end right now. So I'm going to open it up, see how we're looking. Yes, sir. Okay, look at that. Nice grilled hamburger. So right about now, I'm going to go ahead and put my little toppings on there, which would be cheese and onions and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. All right, guys, as you see, this is the final product. I'll go ahead and put it on that bread right there. Yeah. I'm gonna put this down right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little ketchup. You know, a little ketchup. Like that. Go ahead and put that mayo. Because Big Puppy love that mayo. Okay. Yes, sir. As you see, it came out nice and juicy. How I like it. And that's money, dude. Bam. Take a picture of that. Zoom in on that. Yes, sir.